Hello and welcome to another episode of PVC Physics. In this episode I want to show you how to build a simple paper rocket launcher and the associated paper rockets. Now this is a great lab to do with students when you're talking about gravity or projectile motion or something like that. This is not my design. I've seen this design in a couple places on the internet, but I just want to make a solid video on how to build these and have the associated resources connected with them. But it's really simple. Once you have these built, you can just put the paper rockets on the end like this. You kind of hold it down right here, and then you just smack the soda bottle, and you got a paper rocket launcher. So let's take a look at how we build this. To make the actual rocket, all you're going to need is a piece of paper. You can use my printout if you want to help visualize it. Some pens or colored pencils if needed to draw on the rocket, a pair of scissors and some tape. So all you're going to do is have your students label in this area what either their name or what they want to draw on the rocket, the design. Anything in this box will be visible when all is said and done. So they'll put their cool design right here, whatever it may be. Okay, then when they're all done with that, they'll have them cut just these 3 lines right here. They're not going to go all the way through. They're just going to go about to the length that they can see those dashed lines. And these are going to end up becoming the fins of our rocket. Okay. Now you're going to flip this upside down. You're going to put the roller right here, which is just a 1/2 inch PVC pipe like everything else. And you're going to basically roll this underneath the roller like this. Now you don't want it too tight because otherwise it doesn't fit on the launcher and it won't come off. So make sure your students remember that as well. But there you go. So you got the nice fins on the end. Okay. You're going to tape this shut like this. And again, you can put more pieces on there if needed. And then you'll just push this to the end. And about where that line is right here is where you want the end of the PVC pipe to be. And they're just going to kind of pinch this in on the end. And then I like to use the PVC pipe to crush that so it's nice and flat. And then you just simply tape that off to try and seal up the air on the end. Now you can put a penny or something like that on the end if you want to have your students do that. I tend to avoid it just to make it a little bit more safe, but you're welcome to do that. And then there you go. There is the actual rocket. Alright, so you don't need a whole lot to build the rocket launcher, the paper rocket launcher. You're going to need an 8-inch piece, about a 6 or 7-inch piece, 2 3-inch pieces, and then 5 2-inch pieces. And this is all for 1/2 inch PVC pipe. Then you're also going to need a T-joint, a 4-way cross, 2 90-degree elbows, and then a 45-degree elbow or a 90-degree elbow. We'll talk about that in a second. Also, if you're going to be doing this on a flatter surface like asphalt or concrete, then you're also probably going to want 3 caps as well, and I'll show you why. To get started though, you're just going to take this 6 or 7-inch piece, you're going to put it into the 4-way like that. Then you're going to take a 2-inch piece on either side, and then you're going to connect them with 90-degree elbows like this. Okay. Then you're going to take another 2-inch piece going down like so. And again, I usually do this in a grass field, so I'm usually just digging this into the dirt to seal it off, and it helps it sit pretty flat. But if you're going to do it on a flat surface like concrete, you're probably going to want caps on there so the air can't escape. Then from there, you're going to put 3-inch piece like this, and then the T-joint like such. Another 2-inch piece going down, and again, if you choose to, put a cap on that as well. Then from here, you do the other 3-inch piece, your 45-degree elbow, and then last of all, the main piece right here to put the rocket on. And then you put the ball on this side and the rocket on that side, and that's pretty much it. Also, you can switch out this 45-degree angle piece with a 90-degree angle piece if you want to shoot straight up. And also you may notice it's not very level because I wasn't very precise with my cuts. But again, once you dig it into the dirt of the grass in the field, usually you can get to sit pretty level no matter where you need it. But that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.